and we were able to devise new means of treating patients without these side effects. The culmination of our clinical research has produced the SweetSleep device, which we are proud to offer to our patients without the side effects of current clinical devices used to treat snoring. It works on different principles to the older devices which protrude the jaw forward. First of all, it's made from a soft material. There's no pain in the teeth, and it sort of buffets the temporomandibular joint. We don't end up with bite or occlusal changes and deviation problems of the mandible. The main mechanism is through enhancing nasal breathing. More and more studies are emerging every day showing that nasal breathing is a very important component to helping people with sleep apnea and snoring. The SweetSleep device enhances and promotes nasal breathing. Our innovative flexible flap has a number of functions. It holds the upper and lower jaw together, something which is mimicking what the sleep apnea CPAP devices do. We stop the jaw from dropping, and this is what happens to individuals, especially on their back. But the main aspect of this device, it is extraordinarily comfortable.